Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable call and text on older devices on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So this will allow you to use your older Samsung devices that are signed into the same Samsung account, to use them to make calls even though you have the SIM card in this phone. So for example, if you have a Samsung laptop, then you'll be able to use Bixby in order to make calls via that laptop, and it'll like pass through the everything to your phone, and the phone will make connection itself, but you'll have the voice over your laptop. So you can go to settings, connected devices, call and text on other devices, then continue. Now enable it, and now you'll just be able to use it on other Samsung devices. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.